I was wondering, is it right to learn anything by watching videos on YouTube, the webinars? And although I read a lot of books, I have been asking the same question to myself from past 1 or 2 years, and I think that there is a definite reason why learning from YouTube or these videos are definitely beneficial apart from what you read from the textbook. But it is much easier to learn things by watching videos, and the reason being is that it gives you integrated information. Now, what does it mean? For example, a first BDS student learning the anatomical landmarks only thinks about anatomical landmarks. For example, the medial pterygoid muscle, which is located posterior to the junction on the medial side of the mandible when it is inserted. So he is only thinking about these anatomical landmarks because it is asked in the theory exam, and that is what his priority is. But at the end of final year, you realize that why that information is so crucial. For example, you are giving an inferior alveolar nerve block, and if the needle goes too behind, then you may end up hurting the medial pterygoid muscle, which makes the patient lead to having trismus. Now, this you are learning in your final year, so you have lost 3 years of time before learning the anatomical landmarks and then learning the clinically importance. But in your practice, the most important thing is the clinically relevant information. But what is taught to us is the basics, and then after 3-4 years you learn the clinical aspect. So there is a loss of time, and then you will have to integrate it. By the time you know the importance, you know the trismus effect of local anesthesia, you are only concentrating on local anesthetic technique. You think this trismus is so difficult to remember because by the time you already forgotten the information of medial pterygoid, and then you will have to make some mistakes, and somebody has to ask you this issue, that why does it cause trismus. Then you will have to go back again, brush up the information about medial pterygoid, and then you will remember it. So you are basically losing time because the integration of knowledge happens over a period of years, which you can actually make it short by watching clinically relevant videos where he or she in that video is stressing upon why this is important. Now, integration will only happen if you watch those videos earlier and not later in life, because you are basically lost time. And this happens because all exams are driven, all this curriculum is driven because of exams, and that is why students think they should read only the information which are related to their exam. But once you clear all these exams, once you start practicing in life, there is no exam, there is no viva, you are just on your own, and that is the ultimate goal of learning that you should aim for. And maybe watching videos, learning from them can really help you to gain integrated information very well. What's your thought about it?